Hi, I'm Wonhui, CVIP engineer at Gauss Labs. Gauss Labs present the paper at SPIE 2025 to propose very effective algorithms for virtual metrology of overlay errors in semiconductor manufacturing. Our method can do three things. 1. Grid-based representation. Grid-based representation integrates multimodal data with different sparsity, distribution, and so on. 2. Twin units. Twin units considers special characteristics and extracts the features better than the usual virtual metrology algorithms like linear regression or elastic net. Lastly, continual learning-based model update. Our method updates the model to maintain the high performance even with dynamic changes in data from fabs. If you want more information, please check out our paper, a grid mapping based unit algorithm for photolithography over virtual metrology. Thank you.